everyone, today I'll be showing you three easy peasy DIY face masks. So currently we are in quarantine, so during this difficult time I understand that some people, including myself, may have a hard time getting facials, skincare products, face masks, etc. And therefore it's a little harder to find the motivation to take care of ourselves and our skin. However, never fear, because Becca is here. No, I know that's really cheesy. I just really wanted to do that. But anyways, so the three masks are using ingredients that most people should have around at home, and they're really easy to make. So yeah, alrighty, let's just get into the video.
So first up, we have an avocado mask. You guys should know avocados are one of my all-time favorite foods in the whole wide world. There's so many health benefits, and avocados are just so delicious and creamy. This is the only ingredient that some may not have at home, so if you don't, shame on you. Just kidding. If you don't have avocados, you can just use yogurt instead, but personally, I find that my skin absorbs the nutrients better from an avocado rather than a yogurt. No, not a yogurt. Oh my goodness, Becca. Rather than yogurt. See, I can't really do English too well here, but anyways. So for your ingredients, you will need half of a mashed avocado and 1 tablespoon of honey. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Avocados are full of fatty acids which help soothe and moisturize your dry skin barrier, while honey is a natural hydrator as it has been used to treat acne and inflammatory skin conditions without drying or irritating your skin. So just mix and mash the two together and then apply it to your face. I'm just going to show the application process of this mask just once in this video because I feel like the step is a little self-explanatory. So here I am splashing my face with water before I put the mask on, and instead of using my fingers, I'm using a makeup brush to apply it more evenly. That being said, using your fingers works just as well. Now all you have to do is just slather all of the mask on your face, and so leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. Next up, we have a cinnamon, lemon, and honey mask. If you have any acne problems, I highly suggest you try this DIY mask. Honey contains antibiotic properties that can eliminate the germs that caused acne, while lemons can help in eliminating dead skin cells that may have caused acne, blackheads, and other skin blotchiness, and cinnamon contains antimicrobial elements that can hinder bacteria. So for your ingredients, you will need 2 tablespoons of honey, the juice of half a lemon, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. So what you're going to do is combine all the ingredients and apply the mixture to your face. Leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes, and once time's up, rinse thoroughly with water and pat it to dry. Last but certainly not least, we have a baking soda mask. Baking soda is an excellent natural skin exfoliant agent, and best of all, it's much cheaper compared to other products. Baking soda contains alkaline, which can help in removing dead skin cells. It also contains high antiseptic properties that can help in managing any bacteria that may have caused skin problems. For your ingredients, you will need a tablespoon of baking soda, and I kind of just eyeballed it here, a tablespoon of water, and a tablespoon of oil. Blend all your ingredients consistently until it turns into a paste. Just make sure that the paste is not too watery and it's not too thick. For this mask, you will want to apply it on your face in circular motions. When rubbing, avoid the eye portion as it can get kind of stingy. So rub it in for about 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse your face using warm water. After, splash your face with cool water to close up your pores. Then pat your face dry using a clean towel.